I have officially reached the point wherein I am debating on what outfit I should wear to the grocery because ang tagal ko nang hindi lumalabas kahit papuntang grocery, as in hindi talaga. I look like I'm gonna go golfing, but that's exactly what we're going to do today.
Questions that I don't know the answers to. I don't know who to ask. Even Mr. Google's like, bruh, you need to figure this out on your own. On my own, yeah, on your own. Am I really alone, all alone? I'm alone. I don't know if I'm doing it right, doing it wrong. Is there something wrong with this way I'm moving on? What's going on? Are you alright? I said fine, but I'm dead in real life, so I guess I'll just dance. So I guess
I'm so overwhelmed right now. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang spices kailangan ko. So, I'm just gonna pick out one of everything. Name one thing you hate eating when you were a kid, but when you got older, you started loving it. I'll go first. Mine are olives. I love them now. Hinahanap ko siya sa mga pasta or anything. These are my favorite. Do not judge me, pero umiinom pa rin po ako ng mga ganito. Klase ng oil guys. Pero dito tayo kasi may ganito siya. Yan ako sa mga katipid. Oh my god, there's sausage pasta. And today we are at the grocery store. Kanina ko pa siya ine-encourage bumili, tapos nagagalit siya sa akin.
Ang laki kasi guys, tapos wala naman siyang hilig dito.
Eh dito
try natin. Nito?
No, not yet. Yay!
That's special man. Gusto mo explain ko sa'yo?
Lasang cinnamon sa lasa.
Alam mo yung ano, yung texture niya, alam mo yung chicharon ni Mang Juan?
Oo, oo.
Tapos lasang cinnamon lang.
What?
Marty's crackling na lasang cinnamon.
Oh, fine, get it out of that one.
Aww.
But it's working.
Sige na. Sige na. Tara na.
Eh, sige na nga, wag na. Tanggalin mo yan. Tanggalin mo yan. Hala, galit na. Ito na lang. Unicorn fruit lips. Sige, you can do that.
Sayang lang kasi ako sa'yo. Hindi mo naman kasi kinakain.
O sige, babalik ko na.
Hindi, sige na.
Hindi, pagdating natin sa kodo, sasabihin, hindi mo kinakain. Amin na.
Alam mo pala eh.
Oh,
Ba't
sige
alam mo?
na. Sige na.
Oh, hindi na, sige na. Ay,
Hindi na ikaw, babalik ka na.
hindi na, sige na, okay na.
O, ikaw magbayad.
Oh, sige ako magbabayad. Marami akong pera ngayon. Mayaman ako.
Amin na, ayoko. Hindi ko pala siya gusto lasang manuhan.
Oo.
I lost to Sean. Cause sabi niya hindi ko mauubos yung food anyway. Oh man. I'm so sad. Iniwan ko na he won this time.
Baby, what you say could make or break my day. Baby, what you say could make or break my day. Rest your head up on my shoulder, but I'll be grateful just to
more
hold
cheese.
you. 'Cause I love to spend time with such a dime. My vision's too far to
1, 2,
mention,
3.
so I'll just ask this simple question. These
Dear
five words
explode.
I cannot call you.
Oh, video. Dapat ko lang. Dapat
Baby,
out of
what
frame.
you say
Oh, galing. Ang galing yung nag-condition at Google sa diyan.
Oh my god! So, this is how it looks like. Ay, ang ganda rin siya. Like, look oh. Kita mo?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Ang natural niya tignan. Parang
It's
camera
already-
vibes.
It's already pointed at something beautiful.
Wow! Up top.
Down low.
Thank you. So I just want to pop in and explain how amazing this phone is. Besides its camera quality that you guys saw earlier, it also has a lot of amazing specs like the Snapdragon 778G and 5G processor, which is perfect for demanding games if you're into that. And it also has 120Hz Super AMOLED display, which makes it look so smooth. Like pag nag-maneuver or nag-navigate ka sa mga apps, or like dito lang sa settings, like makikita mo talaga yung difference. Ang pinaka gusto ko talaga sa mga Realme phones is yung battery life. Because this one, 65 watts super dart charge. Ang average iPhone, like if I'm not mistaken, nasa 20 watts lang siya. So it takes hours and hours to complete one full cycle. But with this one, ang bilis mag-charge but at the same time, ang tagal maubos ng battery. And the best part is, it is aesthetically pleasing. As in, ito lang ata yung phone na ayaw kong lagyan ng phone case kasi nasasayangan ako if tatakpan yung design niya. But anyway, it also has this super slim and light design. It just looks and feels so luxe when you hold it. Parang leatherette yung material niya. So parang may tactile feeling when you hold it. So hindi siya parang slippery at all. As in, sobrang ganda ng phone na to, guys. This will be available exclusively on Lazada and authorized Realme stores nationwide. And if I'm not mistaken, this is only around less than 25,000. So it's super worth it and you're gonna get this aesthetic phone already. So check out the description box below if you want to know more. Ta-da! This is my haul! Anyway, some of you guys might think that this is too excessive for someone who lives alone. Well, I don't know, honestly. I'm just figuring things out. And ngayon na talaga ako nag-grocery ng ganitong kadami. Kasi yung sa previous condo ko kasi, super lapit nun sa grocery. As in, every other day ako pupunta ng grocery and may pasok pa nun. So, sobrang dali bumili ng food outside or kakain ako sa school. So, ngayon kasi, pandemic, it's not really that convenient to go outside every other day. So, ngayon talaga ako nag-full-blown grocery shopping and I don't even know if I can finish this. Wala pa ilalagyanan ko ng mga oil, vinegar, soy sauce, but this is where I'll put them. Ito yung bago kong favorite, yung Nisi Cheesy Seafood flavor. Dati, ang favorite ko talaga is yung creamy seafood. But then, this one was new and I really liked it. And then, I also got the beef flavor. Ito, must have to. Kasi pag may sakit ako, ito yung noodles na hinahanap-hanap ng Di na ako. Yakisoba. Ito yung mga binibili ko para pag kunyari kakain ako, hindi ko na kailangan maghugas. And then I also got some Korean ramen noodles. Sobrang sad ko. Wala yung pancit canton original flavor. As in, yun yung gusto kong pancit canton. I know, I'm that basic. I just got the calamansi. Snacks, my favorite part. Oh my gosh, excited ako i-share tong haul na to. Okay, so first up would be my favorite. My papa always used to get this for me kapag field trip namin. Ito yung pinapabaon niya sa akin. Combos and cheddar cheese, sate with Oreo. Parang iba na itsura ng Oreos ngayon. Sean's favorite cookies. Ayan. Ang batang hindi pinagbigyan. Kaya ang ending, unicorn fruit loops. Ala, ang cute oh! Tostitos, I actually ate a bag of it already before filming this. I got dip for it, yung creamy spinach dip. And Zika. This is my favorite flavor of potato fries, yung ketchup flavor. Potato, tomato ketchup flavor. It's either cheese original or tomato ketchup flavor ako. And then bread pan, I usually sprinkle this sa mga pasta. Calbee wasabi potato chips. I am obsessed with wasabi. Alam nyo guys, ako yung person na hindi mahilig sa maanghang except wasabi. As in, I am down for anything that has wasabi. And then ito, hindi ko pa ito natutry. Sabi ni Sean, masarap. Smart Food Popcorn White Cheddar Cheese. Lastly, I have this one, yung corn pops. This reminds me of the one I eat noon sa canteen sa school. Okay, so for other snacks, I also have Yan. Bumili na rin ako ng maraming pancake mix because I always make waffle. I have chia seeds, quinoa, and granola. Buhay na buhay ako sa mga ganito nung may pasok pa, yung mga cereal milk drink. I just got the busog-lusog in chocolate flavor. And then, my favorite flavor ng Nestea, yung honey blend. So, ito na yung itsura ng isang cabinet. Ito yung condiment section ko. And magulo pa since hinihintay ko pa yung mga lalagyanan nila. And then, ito na yung mga need kong ilagay sa ref. Yung mga palaman, yung mga spread na favorite ko. And number one would be this one. Lotus na biscuit ng Nutella. Carla. Favorite ko to guys. If you haven't tried this yet, try it. Strawberry jam. And, oh my gosh! Sobrang favorite ko to. I wish I bought more. Sa SNR namin to nabili. Yung Arla Organic Cream Cheese. Isang araw lang, naubos ko na siya. Pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kasi sobrang sarap. So, my favorite na milk ni Sean, yung California Sunshine. I had to try it and it's really good. And then last but not least, the Arizona Green Tea. Listen to my mind,